How to use AI mode and set up your electricity rate plan. Step 1. Go to Settings and check your firmware version. Make sure it's 5.12761 or above. With this version, AI can control the battery, and in upcoming versions, it may control more appliances. Step 2. Tap Operating Mode, then select AI Mode Premium. Step 3. To use AI mode, set up your electricity rate plan. Tap Electricity Rate, then the plus icon, and choose Quick Setup. Step 4. Select your utility provider. You can choose from the existing list, or enter your location based on your electricity contract to find more providers. Step 5. For some providers, you'll need to enter your login info. For others, you may need to input taxes and markup. Step 6. Once your rate plan is confirmed, you can activate AI Mode Premium. The system will then automatically create a personalized energy plan for your home.